Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best camera bag waterproof, the TAAOKA Camera Sling Bag. If you're a photographer searching for the perfect combination of functionality, portability, and protection, stay with me for the next 5 minutes because this might be the one camera bag you've been waiting for. Let's start with size and capacity. The TAAOKA Camera Sling Bag measures 12.6 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 7.8 inches in height. That's just the right size for compact efficiency without sacrificing utility. Inside, it's spacious enough to accommodate one DSLR, along with 2 to 3 additional lenses, assuming your lens lengths are under 15 centimeters. The main compartment also fits batteries and other small camera accessories. And to make it truly customizable, it comes with 2 removable padded dividers. This means you can configure the storage layout based on the gear you're carrying for the day. Now, let's talk about protection, because that's where this bag really shines. Its exterior is made of waterproof fabric. Whether you're shooting in sudden rain or dusty environments, your gear stays safe. Inside, it's all soft velvet padding with thickened foam around the structure of the bag. This helps protect your camera and accessories from bumps, drops, and any rough handling that can happen during shoots or travel. Even the zippers on the inner pocket are scratch-proof, which adds a small but significant layer of protection for delicate camera gear. Tripod lovers, you're covered too. This sling bag includes a dedicated tripod holder underneath the main compartment. So if you're carrying a small tripod, it attaches snugly to the bottom using adjustable straps. No need to lug around extra gear in your hands. And if you're traveling through airports or moving around with a suitcase, there's a luggage strap at the back. Just slide it over your rolling suitcase handle, and your camera bag rides with you, hands-free and hassle-free. But the utility doesn't stop there. The TAAOKA Sling Bag is packed with well-placed pockets. Inside, there's a special pocket with built-in SD card slots to keep your memory cards and earphones organized. The front pocket includes a detachable keychain, which is perfect for holding keys or any small item you need quick access to. And for your personal belongings like your phone or wallet, there's a discreet zipper pocket at the back, positioned to keep valuables safe and accessible. The strap is another thoughtful design element. It's padded and adjustable from 13.5 inches all the way up to 51.1 inches. So whether you want to wear it crossbody, over one shoulder, or even as a fanny pack, the bag adapts to your style and comfort preferences. And if you ever want to use it as a regular shoulder bag instead of a camera bag, just remove the internal dividers and you're good to go. This sling bag is as versatile as it is reliable. It works for men and women, professional photographers or hobbyists, and even as a gift for that shutterbug friend or family member. One thing to keep in mind is that the tripod is not included. You'll just receive the camera bag itself. To wrap things up, the TAAOKA Camera Sling Bag offers premium features, waterproof construction, excellent padding, multiple functional pockets, tripod support, and flexible carry options, all at an incredibly accessible price point. It's ideal for everyday photography, urban shoots, short travel, and quick gear access on the go. That's all for today's review. If you're ready to upgrade your gear setup with the best camera bag waterproof, check out the TAAOKA Camera Sling Bag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.